Hi, welcome to Lecture 3. Today I want to talk about the commitment to dialogue when you're doing experience-centered design, and in particularly what we mean by dialogue and how dialogue is being used when you conduct experience-centered design. Linked to dialogue is a very important tool called stories. I want to also talk about stories and how stories is linked very, very closely to dialogue, especially when it's used in experience-centered design. This lecture is going to be broken up into 4 chunks of videos. The first chunk, which I'm doing now, is actually just an introduction to give you an idea about what we're going to be doing in this lecture. The second chunk will be about stories and what the story means in terms of experience, and also stories in experience-centered design. Then I'm going to talk about how dialogue is actually the core feature of experience-centered design. And in doing so, I also need to do a little side explanation about something that the textbook refers to as third wave HCI. I need to do that because it can be quite a confusing concept. When I looked through chapter 4, I also realized that the writing in this book can be very difficult. The concepts and the way that it's written can be very difficult to understand. So I really hope that you are taking notes and you are asking questions when you get the opportunity to talk to me. I will try my best to try and make things as clear as possible in my lecture when trying to explain this chapter. Finally, I want to talk about different types of projects. I'm going to look at 4 projects. 3 of them is being shown in the book itself, about how dialogue is being used in all these different projects differently, so that when you listen to me talk about them and when you read about them in the textbook, you can see how you might be able to adapt and adopt dialogue when you conduct your experience-centered design. Okay, so on to the next video, which is about stories and experience-centered design.